Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be restoring this Lenovo ThinkCentre. The model number is A1G. I think it was the 7220 model. It is from around 2008, 2009 and it has a Windows Vista business license. Inside we have 3GB of memory, which I'm going to be upgrading to 8GB, and it also doesn't come with a HDD, so I will be putting in a 160GB hard drive inside, and then we will be giving it a full clean out, and then applying some fresh thermal paste, and also give out the power supply a clean. But remember, do not go into power supplies if they have been left on or recently powered on, as it does take quite a while for the capacitors to lose their discharge, even if they haven't been powered on for a while. So touch those at your own risk. Do not copy me, I'm not professional. I'm just doing this at my own risk to clean it out, give this PC the best possible chance of having another future. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, I'm going to open this up. Hopefully it doesn't hit my GoPro, because I'm going to turn it around, because it's bigger than my GoPro stand. So there we go. Here is the guts of the PC. We have the DVD drive here, the CPU cooler, which is here, and the fan is at the front. It brings in fresh air from the front of the case. We also have the hard drive caddy, which does need a clean as it's very dirty. And here we have our spaghetti junction, where all the wires have been cramped in together. And here we have the power supply, which I will be taking out and cleaning. And lastly but not least, we have the motherboard, which is, if I just remove this, is here. We have room for a small form factor graphics card and a PCI card, so we could probably put something inside there. So what I'm going to do now is take everything out and get everything put to one side, unscrew the motherboard, give that a clean with some IPA, clean all the connectors, and remove the memory and the CPU cooler and all that goodness. I will speed it up so doesn't take an age, because I don't like watching them back myself when they're that long. So okay, let's get on with it. Right, I was going to clean the power supply out, but on further inspection it doesn't look like it needs cleaning. The fan blades are all very clear from dust, and I can't see no dust build up inside, so I'm not going to take apart this power supply as it be no point, as it looks already clean. Okay everyone, so we've got the case cleaned out. Now we just need to put the motherboard back in. Okay, so I've gone ahead and connected the connector that goes onto here and the connector that goes onto here. I'm not sure what they are for. And then we have the connector that goes, I believe that goes here for the front panel. So this is a proprietary front panel connector. So I'm not sure if we could put this motherboard into another case, although it's not proprietary power supply connectors, and the PSU connector, the CPU connector power supply is the same for the ATX 12 volts, that is the same. And then we just have this, it is for the audio USB, this one is for the USB, so it's good that they are color coded. And then this orange one just goes here. So that is all the cables connected. I'm not sure there is any more cables. We don't have a COM port, so that is everything. So next we're going to refit the power supply. I will just screw that in off camera, then I'll reconnect it up back on camera. Okay, so now we have the power supply attached, we can go ahead and connect the, that's a SATA lead, the 12 volts, we can connect that. And then we can connect the motherboard power connector to here, and then we just have these SATA leads. This one's for the hard drive, and this one here is for the CD drive, which I don't know what needs to be that long. So I'm just going to put these down here a moment, because I need to get the the heatsink installed. Okay, so now we're going to apply some fresh thermal paste. I don't care how it goes on. Or how much I put on. There we go. We are just going to connect the power supply CPU cooler, which should go here. Need to screw it down. We should screw that down from this side, and then we will do one from the other side. If I can just so it doesn't want to go in for some reason. Let's just try that again. one. And the last one. There we go. And now we can just connect up the CPU fan. Okay, so here we have the original 3 memory sticks. They are all 1GB. 1GB PC38500U memory sticks, and I'm going to replace these with 4 2GB memory sticks, all from Lenovo. They are also 8500U. We have 2 from Lenovo, and then we have another 2 from Lenovo, but different brands. So we have 3 Samsung and 1 Hynix. They're all 8500U, and they all have the same timings, so that's good. So it takes it up to 8GB of memory for a Core 2 Duo, so that will be good for watching YouTube and browsing the web and playing some games that this onboard graphics can support. I'm not sure if I have a graphics card that will fit this yet. I need to purchase one or look around for one. If anyone wants to donate any small graphics cards to the channel, I'll be really welcome. But yes, let's go to the next part, installing these memory sticks. Okay, so here is where the memory sticks go, underneath these wires. They are very awkward to get in, so I'm just going to start off with the first one first, and hopefully I can get that in. Okay, so it's all back together, and to see if it will power up, and we will try and go into the BIOS and see if it recognises the memory and the hard drive. And it won't boot into the operating system that's on here because it's for UEFI, and the resolution is not compatible with this monitor. So let's just go into the BIOS and try that again. This time I want to go into the BIOS. Okay, this time I want the boot options. Okay, it doesn't want me to go into the BIOS, so let's try that again. Let's try F1, see if that will go into the BIOS. Okay, we are now in the BIOS, so hooray! We've restored another computer. This will be going out to charity once everything is all done. There's just a little bit more bits that I need to do, but while I have it, I will be doing some experiments. I have already uploaded one because I didn't get time to do this footage. So now it's all back together. We can go into system summary, and there we go. We have an Intel Core 2 Duo CPU, E8400 at 3 GHz. The CPU bus speed is 1333 MHz, and we have a CPU core count of 2 enabled. We have installed memory 8 GB, 8192 MB, and the memory bus speed is 1067. The active video is Intel Eagle Lake graphics chip accelerated VGA BIOS. We We have onboard audio is enabled, onboard Ethernet is enabled, the fan is operating, SATA drive 0 is the DVD drive, and the SATA drive 1 is the 160GB on SATA 2. So it's SATA speed 2, this board doesn't support SATA 3, and we have everything else all set up, as you can see. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like if you liked it and leave a comment down below on what experiments you would like to see me try on this Core 2 Duo with the integrated graphics. I will try and get a small form factor graphics card, probably like a 1030, and we can do some more demanding tasks on here then. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.